Do you know the benefits of drinking cinnamon tea every day? There's a world of wellness in your cup, just waiting to be explored. Cinnamon tea, a warm and soothing beverage, is more than just a delightful drink. It's a health elixir that's packed with benefits. Today, we'll embark on a journey to uncover 7 reasons why cinnamon tea should be a part of your everyday routine. Picture this: a daily beverage that not only tastes good, but also boosts weight loss, regulates blood sugar levels, promotes heart health, aids in digestion, enhances brain function, strengthens immunity, and even elevates skin health. Sounds too good to be true? Well, prepare to be amazed. Each sip of cinnamon tea is a step towards a healthier you. And the best part? It's all natural, easy to prepare, and can be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. So, are you ready for a taste of well-being? So let's dive into why you should start incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine. Firstly, cinnamon tea can aid in your weight loss journey. Have you ever thought of sipping your way to fitness? Cinnamon tea could be the secret ingredient you've been searching for. This aromatic spice, known for its warming and comforting properties, also packs a punch when it comes to weight loss. Now let's delve into the details. Cinnamon tea helps turbocharge your metabolism. A faster metabolism can lead to an increase in calorie burn, even when you're resting. Imagine burning calories while you're catching up on your favorite show. Sounds amazing, right? But that's not all. Cinnamon tea also has the power to curb your hunger pangs. It helps you feel satisfied for a longer period, reducing the need for snacking between meals. So if you're someone who often finds themselves rummaging through the fridge in the middle of the night, a cup of cinnamon tea might just be what you need. Lastly, cinnamon tea is a natural fat burner. It helps your body break down sugar and turn it into energy, preventing it from being stored as fat. So, not only are you consuming fewer calories, but you're also burning off the ones you've already consumed. So, there you have it. Cinnamon tea isn't just a tasty brew, it's a potential weight loss ally. It increases your metabolism, reduces your appetite, and burns fat, all while you enjoy its comforting warmth and unique flavor. That's reason number 1, cinnamon tea can help you shed those extra pounds. Secondly, cinnamon tea can help regulate your blood sugar levels. This might sound a bit technical, but stay with me here. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into sugars, which are absorbed into the bloodstream. Now this is where our star ingredient cinnamon comes into play. Cinnamon contains compounds that can mimic insulin's effects, helping to transport sugar from the bloodstream into your cells. This action can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making cinnamon a powerful ally for those managing diabetes. Furthermore, the sweet, spicy flavor of cinnamon can satisfy a sugar craving without adding any extra calories or sugar to your diet. This can be a game changer for those trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle or lose weight. So that's reason number 2, cinnamon tea is beneficial for your blood sugar control. Moving on to the third reason, cinnamon tea is great for your heart health. This aromatic infusion is more than just a comforting beverage, it's a heart-friendly powerhouse too. When it comes to lowering bad cholesterol levels, cinnamon tea takes the lead. It's been found to reduce levels of LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, while not affecting the good HDL cholesterol. This is key in maintaining a healthy balance and warding off heart disease. But that's not all. Cinnamon tea can also help reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure can strain your heart and lead to heart disease, but sipping on cinnamon tea may help keep those numbers in check. And let's not forget the overall impact of this delightful brew on heart health. By improving blood circulation and fighting inflammation, cinnamon tea contributes to a healthier, stronger heart. So, there you have it. Reason number 3, cinnamon tea can help keep your heart healthy. The fourth reason is that cinnamon tea can improve your digestive health. Now let's talk a little more about that. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of gastrointestinal issues. It's known for its ability to soothe digestive discomfort. Picture this: after a hearty meal, you might sometimes experience that uncomfortable feeling of being overly full. This is where a cup of cinnamon tea can come in handy. Cinnamon tea can help kickstart your digestion, relieving that heavy feeling, but that's not all. Have you ever felt bloated? It's not a great feeling, is it? Well, cinnamon tea might be your new best friend. The active compounds in cinnamon have been shown to reduce bloating, allowing you to feel light and comfortable throughout the day. So that's reason number 4. Cinnamon tea can boost your digestive health. A simple cup of this aromatic brew might just be the solution to your digestive woes. Fifthly, cinnamon tea can enhance your brain health. Let's dive a little deeper into the science behind this. Cinnamon, the star ingredient of our tea, is rich in antioxidants known as polyphenols. These antioxidants have been linked with improved brain function, particularly in the realms of memory and cognition. But the benefits don't stop there. Cinnamon also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often a response to injury or illness, but when it occurs in the brain, it can contribute to neurological disorders. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties can therefore aid in protecting the brain from such conditions. Moreover, research suggests that cinnamon could have neuroprotective effects. That means it could potentially shield your brain cells from damage, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. In essence, sipping on cinnamon tea could be a delicious way to help maintain a healthy, active mind. That's reason number 5, cinnamon tea can help boost your brain health. The 6th reason is that cinnamon tea can boost your immunity. Now let's explore how this works. Cinnamon tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants work tirelessly to protect our cells from damage, enhancing our body's natural defense system. But the benefits of cinnamon tea don't stop there. Cinnamon also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or illness, but chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems. By reducing inflammation, cinnamon tea helps to maintain a healthy balance in the body. Furthermore, the warming spice can stimulate circulation, promoting the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your body's cells, which is vital for a robust immune response. So, that's reason number 6, cinnamon tea can strengthen your immune system. Now, isn't that a great reason to start brewing a cup of this warm, aromatic beverage? And lastly, cinnamon tea can improve your skin health. Time to spill the tea on this, folks. Cinnamon tea is more than just a comforting beverage, it's a skin health enhancer. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the redness and swelling associated with acne. Not only that, but cinnamon tea is packed full of antioxidants. These little heroes fight off free radicals that can damage your skin and lead to premature aging. Who needs a time machine when you've got a cup of cinnamon tea, right? And that's not all. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea can also help to improve your complexion. It aids in blood circulation, which in turn ensures that your skin is well nourished and glowing. So, whether you're battling acne, chasing a youthful glow, or just looking to maintain good skin health, a cup of cinnamon tea can be your best ally. So there you have it, the 7th reason, cinnamon tea can enhance your skin health. So, these are the 7 reasons why you should start drinking cinnamon tea every day. Let's take a quick walk down memory lane. We talked about cinnamon tea's potential to help with weight loss, its impact on blood sugar levels, and its benefits for heart health. We also discussed how this aromatic beverage can boost digestive health, promote brain health, fortify immunity, and even enhance skin health. Now, isn't that impressive? A single cup of cinnamon tea holds a world of goodness within it. It's a simple, tasty, and natural way to enhance your health and well-being. So why not give it a try? Brew yourself a warm, soothing cup of cinnamon tea and let its enchanting aroma fill your senses. Don't just take our word for it though. Experience the benefits for yourself. Notice how it makes you feel, how it affects your body and mind. You might just find that your new favorite health habit is sipping on this delightful, spicy sweet drink. Remember, good health is a journey, not a destination. And every cup of cinnamon tea is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and watch our other videos for more health tips. Thank you for watching.